Welcome. In front of me is a Teclast T60, and today I'm going to show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this tablet. Now to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector, which looks similar to this, comes provided with a device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, chain on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the same side where you have your charging port right here. So you can see it right here on the side. Grab the tool, push it in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to pull it out fully. On the tray, you'll have space for SIM card and SD card, each spot being dedicated for said card, which I just dropped. There we go, add it back. Now this actually, let me quickly make sure. This is actually a dual tray, so you can have two SIM cards at the same time, though you wouldn't be able to use a SD card at that point. But if you want, as you can see, you'd place one of the SIM cards sideways on the tray like I just did. Anyway, let's shift that over and pop in our SD card. There we go, and then carefully insert it back into your device. Carefully, because there's nothing holding those cards in place, so they could kind of like get loose out of there or get jammed, so just be careful. Once you insert the SIM and SD card into your device, they should start working right away, so I'm just going to quickly confirm that, and as you can see, that unlocks my SIM card. And we should also have some kind of notification, there we go, about the SD card. So there we go. And as you can see, both of the cards are working just fine, no extra steps needed. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.